In this video, you'll learn how to automate Google Sheets with n8n. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully set up an automated workflow using n8n's templates specifically designed for Google Sheets integration. Begin by navigating to the n8n workflows page. Open your web browser and enter the URL for n8n. Once the page loads, locate the workflows section on the main interface. This area is where you can manage and create workflows. Next, look for the templates option within the workflows section. Click on templates to access a library of pre-built automation workflows. This selection will help you find templates related to Google Sheets automation quickly. After that, you will see a search bar on the templates page. Click on this search bar to activate it. This feature allows you to filter through templates based on your specific needs. Type in Google Sheets automation in the search bar. As you enter this text, the page will dynamically display relevant templates that match your query. This will help you narrow down your options effectively. Once the results appear, browse through the available templates. Click on one that interests you to view more details. This step is crucial, as it allows you to assess the template's functionality before using it. Next, locate and click on the Use for Free button associated with the chosen template. This action indicates your intention to use the selected template for your workflow. After clicking, you may see a confirmation message or loading indicator as the system processes your request. Following this, click on Import Template to Own Workspace. This step adds the selected template to your personal workspace, allowing you to customize and modify it according to your requirements. Ensure that you wait for the confirmation that the template has been successfully imported. Keep in mind that automating workflows may require you to connect your Google Sheets account to n8n if you haven't done so already. Ensure your Google account is accessible and that you are aware of any permissions required for n8n to interact with your Google Sheets. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you